Hey guys, it's Danielle, and here is a little January plan with me in my Plum Paper Planner. Hope you enjoy. They have this really cool feature of 3 goals every month, and I hope to use this more this year. I did a little bit last year, but kind of gave up. So that's kind of one of my resolutions to use this, because I think it's great to focus on 3 things each month. So these are my 3 goals. I am doing a vegan challenge right now, so I would like to complete that. Goal number 2 is to focus on my yoga practice, which is pretty non-existent right now. I would like to get a lot better at that, so I would like to do even a 10-minute yoga session 4 times a week. My 3rd goal is called James's Special Time. I talked about that in 1 or 2 videos. So basically, I just want to connect with James, who's my son, every night after work for 15 minutes. And obviously, I spend more time with him than that, but just 15 minutes of pure connection. I let him choose whatever he wants within limits. It can't cost money most days, and it can involve screen time, so sometimes we do artwork or read, and just let him kind of lead the direction and we kind of chat and connect. I have a couple birthdays this month. I haven't done any of that, and then I'm having a little health issue, nothing serious, but I need minor surgery this year, and I would like to get the ball rolling on that. There's some things I need to do before that can happen, so I just wrote that here. Then we'll move on to the next page. I'm between tripods right now, you guys, so I apologize for the slight shaking, but I'm going to try this for the first time this month. On this January page, I'm going to try to write an affirmation or a piece of gratitude every single day. So today's January 2nd, and hopefully I will fill this up to number 31. This is the month at a glance. I don't use this too much, mainly because we don't do that much maybe, but Mandee at the Kitchen Wife in her planner wrote what she actually eats for dinner every night after the fact. And I think I'm going to start to do that because I think that'll help with meal planning, to kind of look at what you actually ate, kind of get ideas, what you liked, what you haven't had in a while. So I think I'm going to try that out, and as you can see, I did yesterday on the 1st. This is where I spend the most time, my weekly spread. For the first time this year, I had them type in my different sections. So the top one is appointments, and I just write those throughout the week. And then my work to-do list, fitness, house or personal things like laundry, things to do at home, cooking stuff. Then my YouTube section and my journal, and the last one is blank. I'm not a sticker person, but I did put a couple this week. And then this is my cleaning list for the week. I'd like to get back into a zone cleaning routine. I'll show you what that is in a second. Again, these are kind of my two of my goals for the month. Yoga 4 times a week and James's Special Time. I need to pick up some contacts and would like to get my Christmas thank yous out. Let me know if you guys do thank yous. And if you do, are you done? Is it bad that I haven't started yet? This is something I'm trying out for the first time as well. This is the end of the month, or this page is at the end of the month, and I'm gonna keep track of what I'm watching. So far I've been watching Real Housewives of New Jersey. I think I'm gonna start The Crown. Let me know if you've seen season 2. I loved season 1, but for some reason I haven't been that excited about season 2. So let me know how it is. Then I have a section for what I'm reading, products I'm loving. That'll be good if I want to do like a favorites video for you guys. Sometimes it's hard to remember. What I'm learning about, I love to learn about random things, and right now I'm interested in the lunar phases and how it relates to kind of feminine energy and cycles. I just think it's fascinating. What I'm up to, the vegan challenge so far, and then I thought it'd be cool to keep track of like pop culture and news events that come up. This is at the end of the month as well. This is where I'm going to keep track of zone or deep cleaning that I was talking about. I kind of write over the heading. So this week is zone 7, my office, my home office. So these are kind of the deep cleaning things that I want to get done this week. Next week is laundry and catch up. Then we're to the kitchen. I just haven't filled out the next 2 sections yet for the month. I would like to be more on top of this. Even if it takes me 2 weeks to complete each one, I'd like to do that. I'll link another video I have talking more in depth about zone cleaning in this planner. I'll put that in the eyes above. Then there's a shopping list, and I think it's really smart to try to start using that this year. I didn't last year, so these are things that I really need, and I'm just not ready to buy them yet, or I haven't made time, but I don't want to forget, and I'll just keep a running list of this and check it off as I buy it. So that is everything. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you like planning videos. I do these at least twice a month. And I have an upcoming meal plan video using this planner, so look out for that. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.